Hi everyone, Samantha Wolfe here, teaching second grade with my bristlebot project. I am going to explain how I came about my plan with my design process. So, what is the problem and our defining of constraints with the asking process? A bristlebot is a robot that uses a battery to complete a circuit. The weight on the motor makes the bristlebot vibrate and move because it's a circular motion that's weighted. Weights and where the pieces of the motor and the bristlebot are make the bristlebot move in different directions. The constraint of this assignment is really controlling the movements of the bristlebot and never knowing where it's going to go next. I decided to tie it to a read aloud called Vamos, Let's Go to Market. I will post my my Google slide, and that read aloud will take you to the book. It's in English and Spanish, so it is a bilingual book, and it is written like a comic book. So for my students, this would be real life application. We do have a market nearby, and my students do go there quite often with their families. So my solution would be to use pipe cleaners and other items to try and maneuver the bristlebot through a maze, and students would create the maze and find out how they could get the bristlebot to maneuver through it using different items to help it move. So I just used some rope and a piece of cardboard, and I made its two stops the bolero, which is a cobbler for shoe shine, and the casita and plantas, which are plants and little houses. And then at the end, they go back to Casa de Lobo. Lobo is the main character. So students would think about their shopping. They would have to choose two places for Lobo to visit. Here is my pictures of my supplies and my bristlebot once I had created it. I created Lobo. I thought it maybe used pipe cleaners bent in different ways. So I kind of use a pipe cleaner for one color for one way and a different pipe cleaner for the other to make them stop at both places. And the thing that I would do to make it better is I wish I would have had something less permanent to try and create the maze to practice with my bristlebot, and I did not have it. I was thinking base 10 blocks and tape would be a fantastic option. And then I just have that I used different color pipe cleaners to help it maneuver to the different places on my board. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks, and have a good rest of your week.